So here's the city. 78 feet, more or less, from this front clean out. So it's a pretty long sewer. I wonder. It's weird. It doesn't seem like it would be that long because the yard is so small.
Right.
So.
Is it on the other side of the street then?
It could be. I didn't. Oh, yeah. I didn't check the manhole to see what side of the street it's on. This last section looks pretty good. And then here you can see all that cracking there and there and there. So I kind of just lightly. I mean, I got the majority of the roots out there, but I didn't want to beat on it more than I, had to.
So this whole part of the line is my responsibility. This.
Yeah, all the way to the actually all the way to the joint. So not only this last joint right here, but it's like the other side of the pipe too.
Okay.
So like that whole section of pipe.
Okay.
Or the the Y joint. I mean, other than that and the hole and the I didn't see any other damage besides that stuff I already told you about. Oh yeah, and then there's this random thing. I don't know what this is.
Is that the thing that got put in last time?
I don't know. It's like a scraper or something.
Oh, it's just sitting there.
Yeah, it's just sitting there.
Somebody's tool.
I couldn't push it out. It'll wash out eventually. It's pretty close to the city. We got a little ways to go. Yeah. And then there's this weird joint. This might have been where your backups were coming from in the past.
Yeah.
Because you can see like this giant root on the side of it.
Yeah.
And it's weird because it's like this whole... That might be like missing pipe, actually. So like all around here, that I believe should sleeve in to, that's what this collar is here.
Yeah.
So it would make sense why that would just be like missing pipe. I would have to confirm with Ben, just because I don't really see this very often, but it kind of looks like it'd be either that or it's slid out. This section of pipe.
Okay.
Or did something weird. And then there's that hole. Then the offset. It looks like it's right on a turn too. You can see it kind of angled. Yeah. So that's kind of it for the damage. And that's like, see, this is like an acceptable offset. It's not ideal.
Okay.
But like that's like not terrible. You know what I mean? And so you can just see that the pipe just kind of dips way down really quickly right here, and then it has to, bottom out at some point. You know what I mean? So send the video to Ben, and he'll get a better, he'll get more firm ideas as to what you can do. And if there needs to be a dig, then we can, send you a contact, or if you want to, if it's possible to line, it might be possible to line.
Okay. So a dig would mean a 78-foot trench?
So no, it wouldn't. It would mean to